TDR on the PCA 101 from Adret. So the PCA 101 can do impulse current, arc reflection and TDR. This is the TDR part of how this unit works. Going through the menu to the mode menu, you can select your TDR mode. TDR is for faults in low resistance, very low resistance, or as you would say, dead shorts. And for these type of faults, you would use croc clamps to your cable and plug it into there. Always make sure that your cable is discharged properly before using this unit, as it is very sensitive. We're simulating a fault on one of our fault boxes to armoring and to the faulty core. All right, we've already put in just about everything that we need. There's not a lot of changes between the two modes inputs. It will also ask you the range, the velocity, and it will also give you the distance to your faulting. To show you guys how this graph looks. Okay, so for TDR, as I said, dead shorts. So your conductor still basically needs to be touching each other, or very, very, very low resistance. If we go through our menu and press acquire, after everything that we've handed to the scope, all the information it wanted, if we press acquire, a fault will show as a down graph. Okay, we have a fault on the end of our cable here, and our cable is 100 meters long. So if we go to the measure menu, with TDR, with the PCA 101, we always measure from the side. So as far as the A cursor will go, and then the B cursor you'll take to where it starts to dip, and there we go, on 100 meters. All right. Okay, then just to show you guys, I'm going to take away the fault. It's on the end of the cable, so if it's going to show you end of cable is shown by an up spike. And there we go, same place, also on 100 meters. If I go to measure, 100 meters. All right. That is the two scope functions that the PCA 101 Adret unit in basic format comes with. If you want arc reflection, which works the same as TDR, but it's for high resistance fault scenarios, you can buy a filter or a bigger surge generator. They call it the MODSYS 32 because it's a modular system with the arc reflection filter on top.